Chamisa calls for equality and national unity in address to Zimbabweans. The 23rd of August 2025, opposition leader NELSONCHAMISA addressed the nation, urging Zimbabweans to embrace equality and fairness in all aspects of leadership and national life. Citing the Bible, Chamisa referenced 1 Samuel 30, 21-24, emphasizing that all animals are equal and warning against the exclusion or marginalization of citizens. Chamisa stressed that every Zimbabwean should benefit from the country's blessings and warned against systems that make some people more important than others. He condemned practices that elevate individuals based on their participation in the liberation struggle, while leaving others marginalized, calling such approaches wrong and displeasing to God. He also warned against listening to troublemakers and evil men, who may offer harmful suggestions, and encouraged leaders to exercise proper love and judgment in rejecting such advice. Chamisa concluded his address by calling for a united Zimbabwe, free of division and inequality, and urged citizens to embrace the principle that no individual is inherently superior to another. #1 Zimbabwe, #our Zimbabwe, #God is in it, #Jesus is King, #blessed Sabbath.